Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Insights. In today's video, we are going to take a look at new product from Boya. It was released just 5 months back, and this is my review on Boya WM4 Pro wireless mic. I have been interested in budget and best wireless mic for my YouTube channel, so my search came up to end with this product. It is 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system, specially designed for popular social media applications. BY-WM4 Pro wireless microphone. This is an update version of WM4 wireless microphone system. At the top we have a scratch card to check the warranty, and this is compatible with mobiles, PCs and DSLR cameras. At the back we have some highlights of the product and its specification details. This was specially designed for the persons on limited budget. Ideal for content creators, interviews, vlogging, Facebook, YouTube and podcast. This Pro version is compatible with other kinds of receivers from Boya like WM4 RXD for Apple devices, WM4 RXU for Android devices. But currently these devices are not available in the market. Inside the box we got one hard case and some paper stuff. That's all in the box. This pic on the guide is of WM4 Pro K2 model, which has two transmitters. What I brought here is the K1 model, which has only one transmitter. And this manual comes with lot of information related to instructions and troubleshooting details on it. And this is the warranty card. This is the WM4 Pro K1 model. Inside the case we have a cold shoe mount and a mic holder, 3.5mm TRS audio output cable and a lapel microphone. This is the microphone. Some additional attachments are missing for it. Maybe they are in the box. We got one more cable inside. This is 3.5mm to TRS audio output cable. This is the portable transmitter module, and the other one is the portable receiver module. This hard case also has an extra pouch for its accessories. This is the 3.5mm to TRRS audio output cable for connecting mobile devices with 3.5mm audio jack. And this is the 3.5mm to TRS audio output cable for connecting PC and other devices. It is the lapel microphone and it must have some other accessory parts. Yeah, here it is. We have another little packet to open. This is the cold shoe mount for connecting the receiver module to DSLR cameras. And the other things we have is the windscreen and the clip holder. Windscreen is for noise cancellation purpose, and the clip holder also goes here right at the bottom. Here it completes the complete mic setup. Transmitter and the receiver modules need to be powered by external 2 AAA batteries, and I recommend these for the long life. For better transmission range, replace the batteries on both kits at same time. Let me show you the connection of the modules first. For receiver, connect the TRRS cable and other end goes to the mobile. On the transmitter side, connect the lapel microphone. At the back we have a holding clip which is rotatable, and I think it can rotate 360 degrees. Even we can detach the clip and insert the cold shoe mount for mounting it on DSLR camera or other mounting brackets. And this is same for the other module too. On the transmitter module we have one on-off switch and a pair switch, and this is location for wireless antenna. For the receiver we have one on-off switch and volume controls for monitoring the output, and this is the location for a wireless antenna. Both of them seems identical to me. Okay, let's power it on. As a default setting, they both are paired before they are packed, so the system is ready to use when taken out of the box. The solid blue light on the receiver and the blue light blinking at regular intervals on the transmitter shows that they are paired. If they are not paired, you can pair them manually by switches on the device until you see the desired light pattern on the device. Setting up these devices is very easy. Lapel microphone should be connected here if you are doing a voiceover or an interview, and the line in is used if you want to record audio from any other output device. On the receiver side, the line out is connected between the receiver and the output device like mobile, PC or a camcorder. And this is for headset for monitoring the output simultaneously while recording.